Okay, so here are your Bose earbuds. They were also purchased from Amazon. This is the case. Let's see if I can get it out with this one hand, and this is how it's looking. And let me open it up for you. So this is what it's saying here. Start here. Okay, so this is how it's looking when you open the case. Here are the earbuds. Nice. Let's see what's underneath. Probably the power cord or the charging cord and all that. And your instructions. Yes. So later on I'll show you the tablet, but that did not come from Amazon. These are all of the purchases that I've got from Amazon so far for this holiday season. So let's continue on with the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, and it's noise canceling. Here's your instruction books. Here are your earbuds. And looking further, here is the power cord. I also noticed it had 1, 2, 3 in small, medium, and large. And this is what's in the inside of this little. You have a small, large on either side to adjust your earbuds. Yeah, if anybody know anything about Bose, they were nice quality electronical equipment. And here is the power plug for your case. And you can get other accessories for this, as far as hanging your earbuds around your neck. I did not order that. I haven't found the use for that yet, but as time goes on, maybe I will order that. And at this time, I want to take the time to thank all of my subscribers who knew about my sister. I want to shout them out at this time, and I appreciate and love each and every one of you, and I hope there will be peace and joy for you. The first one I'm shouting out is Annette Williams, 375. Goose, Go Sew Something. Silver Hair Sewers, Charlotte Early, 88377. Joanne, 4834. Deborah Sturterberg, 2266. Miss Seashell, Crafty Cabana. Denise the Sloth Sewist. Fee Sewing Peace, Tennessee North, 4800. Nico GP9MV, thank you for your prayers and your thoughts and your kind words during my difficult time. So with that being said, let's move on. Okay, so this is the tablet's wireless keyboard case, and I purchased it from Amazon. And as you can see, you have the cord that goes with it. iPad goes here. Your keyboard. Nice case. Okay, so this is the Glass Screen Pro for the iPad. Just clear sheets that protect your iPad screen. I'm not going to open this right now because I don't have iPad and I'm not really ready to put it on there. So let's move on. So I also showed you the charger and the portable laptop wireless keyboard case. And I also purchased the glass. So this is what a glass cover. This is what you're looking at the case. So let's get this going here. And this is how this will be set up. Looking like that. Isn't that nice? That was also purchased from Amazon. Here's the power source here. Now what I'm trying to do is really get this glass cover on the tablet. So here it is, the Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered Cover. So here are your instructions on the back, and it tells you how to do it. So let's pause, and we're going to do that. So I finally got it open, and this is what's inside. You have your glass cleaning tool, wipes, and you have the glass, the tempered glass. So what comes in this accessory screen protector thing is a cleaning rag. This says dust absorbent guide stickers and an alcohol prep pad. That's the tip to put this screen thing on here. Nice and smooth and easy. I believe I got it. Let me press. Where it looks all right for me. So we gotta get the bubbles out. I really hate doing these things. It's so hard. Kind of hard. And they're saying to use a card. I don't have a card right now, so I'm going to use this. See if that'll work. I don't want to scratch the screen. No, the bubbles are not coming up. I hate this. I have to peel it up again. See how it moves. They're kind of hard to do. To me, they are extremely hard to do. See what they do? See those air bubbles. It's a little corner. Yeah, so that's that. So there you have it. The keyboard, case, and the Pro screen protector on the wireless keyboard. So there we go. These things that I've gotten from Amazon, I want to let you know that I'm an Amazon affiliate. I'm not quite sure how that process or piece is going to work as far as linking these items to my affiliate account, but this is new to me, and I'm gonna definitely link everything in the description if you want any of these products that I've purchased so far from Amazon. I got one more thing for you. I also purchased this camera and case from Amazon. I like it. Very nice camera. With the noise canceling. It's a Sony. I'll also link this in the description box as well.